Why does one's knee or hip need to be replaced? When both the knee and the hip are the exact same age and both have been used equally over the course of your life. You see, when we walk, when we do activities on a daily basis, the alignment of our joints play a critical role on how they wear and tear. It can be compared to the alignment of a car. When you're driving a car and your car is out of alignment, what happens to the tires? They wear unevenly. That's why the mechanics rotate the tires and fix the alignment with regular maintenance to your vehicle. If the car continues to be misaligned, the tires are going to continue to wear and wear faster than they did before. Typically, one side wears more than the other, and this could be compared to your hips or your knees being out of alignment. That's why it's so crucial when you get treatment for your knees or your hips that you look into treatment options for your joints that also comprise of treatments to properly balance and align those joints properly.